and welcome to another video for UDN'S marketing solutions. Today I'm going to talk about how to create epic content with this content calendar for realtors. So you are a real estate agent and you kind of like thinking how to post, what to post on social media. You kind of like lost and you don't know what platforms to use, what exactly is more suitable for realtors, and I got you. Today I have so much information to share with you regarding content, what content to actually put on your social media. So I have created a 365-day calendar, and you are kind of like going to post every day one time. One time is all needed in order for you to stay active. You can post this one-time thing on each platform the same way. I do recommend that you should be using Twitter, Instagram, Facebook in order for you to get more prospects, get more leads. LinkedIn is kind of like good for PR, but not for getting clients. So let's get to it. When you're going to choose part of my calendar, what exactly you want to actually promote, you can post about house of the week, testimonials, real estate tips, selling tips, buying tips, what to look for when you buy a house, what to look for when you sell a house. You don't want to focus on teaching marketing, or you don't want to focus on your personal life. I believe this kind of like turns off people because they follow you because they want to know what's up out there, what's new out there in real estate market. Be in mind that you might have your competitors following you on social media. You might have prospects following you on social media and probably not ready to buy, but whenever they will be, your post is gonna pop up. So they might be really want to resonate with you. You might post about Q&A, questions and answer. You can just type, ask me anything about your real estate questions, and people are going to ask you about how to sell a house, where to buy a house, what's hot right now, what's the prices are now. They might ask all of these questions and you will be able to answer, whether in writing, whether in live that you do. Either way, it's going to be all right. Also, you want to include about partnerships that you have, any community events that you have in the area, any open houses that you have in the area. You want to make sure people come and participate. Now, this is just giving you a snippet of what to post on social media. However, if you look at my calendar, it goes beyond saying that there is more to it. And also, I would recommend that you download my ebook so you know exactly what else you can do if you don't have time to actually go over the 365 days. Now you have the calendar in handy. You downloaded it, you have all whatever you need to post in each day. You're ready, you're organized, you kind of like know what to expect. Now it's time to automate that. You don't have time to sit on the computer and start to posting in each platform, but I have good news for you. There are platforms out there like Social Bee and Social Pilot that you can actually schedule this post, and automatically while you sleep, it is going to be posted on your social media the next morning you wake up. So you need to try these features that are available for you and really do this so you can succeed. So the content calendar can be kind of like overwhelming perhaps for you because you are very good at selling real estate and you won't probably know how to market. But now that I shared so much information, you can download the content calendar and do it yourself or your team, or hire my agency, UDN'S Marketing Solutions, to manage your social media for 1-year contract. Details is in the description below. So that's it for today. That was very short. Subscribe and like this video and share with your friends out there. Your support is really appreciated. Till next time.